Black pigs, also known as heritage or traditional breeds, are a diverse group of pig breeds that are known for their distinct black coloration. These breeds are often rare or have specific qualities that make them desirable for their meat. Black pig meat, renowned for its exceptional quality and flavor, often comes with a higher price tag compared to other types of pork. Today, we're going to uncover the reasons behind the expense and value of this culinary treasure and discover how black pig farming is done, from breeding to meat processing. The first step in black pig farming is selecting the right breed for farming. In this farm, we will show you how Iberian pigs are bred and processed with its own distinct qualities and traits. Breeders usually maintain a small herd of black pigs, including boars, male pigs, and sows, female pigs. Controlled mating is done to ensure genetic diversity and desirable traits in the offspring. After successful mating, the sow carries her pregnancy for around 3 months before giving birth to a litter of piglets. These piglets are raised under the careful watch of the farmers. In general, the piglets will be with their mother for around 4 to 8 weeks of age. This timing allows the piglets to develop a more independent digestive system and transition to solid food. Piglets receive crucial antibodies from their mother's milk, which helps bolster their immune system and enhances their ability to fight off infections. At about 8 weeks old, the piglets will be separated to different pens, specifically designed to accommodate the piglets' needs, including proper flooring, temperature control, and access to food and water. At this stage, piglets have developed enough independence and are ready to transition to solid food. Farmers provide a specially formulated pig feed that meets the nutritional needs of the growing piglets. On average, it takes around 3 to 4 months for piglets to reach their teenage stage. During this period, piglets undergo significant growth and development. Once they are old enough and physically mature to handle the outdoor environment, they will be introduced to the outdoor pens. Introducing farmed black pigs to outdoor pens provides them with space to roam, exhibit natural behaviors, and experience a more diverse environment. It promotes their physical and mental well-being, contributing to their overall growth and development as they progress through different stages of their lives. Once pigs are introduced to outdoor pens, farmers continue to monitor their health, behavior, and overall well-being. Regular health checks are conducted, and appropriate veterinary care is provided when necessary. When pigs are fully grown, they enter wild farming stage, also known as free range. Unlike conventional pig farming methods, raising black pigs outdoors provides them with ample space to roam and explore. In wild farming, pigs have the freedom to graze on natural vegetation, forage for food, engage in social interactions as they would in the wild, and live in a more natural and less restrictive environment. This natural diet and lifestyle contribute to their physical development and overall happiness. One of the distinguishing aspects of black pig farming is the inclusion of acorns in their diet. The farmers will venture the herds into forest and woodlands abundant with oak trees. These acorns serve as a natural and nutritious food source for the black pigs, mimicking their ancestral diet. The acorn's natural oils and fats contribute to the marbling and tenderness of the meat, enhancing its flavor and juiciness. Additionally, the nutrients present in acorns, such as proteins, fiber, and healthy fats, supplement the pig's diet, resulting in healthier, more robust pigs. By allowing black pigs to forage on naturally available resources like acorns, farmers reduce the reliance on intensive feed systems, contributing to a more sustainable farming model. This approach minimizes the environmental impact and fosters a healthier ecosystem for both the pigs and the surrounding wildlife. The black pigs eagerly devour the acorns, relishing their rich flavors and benefiting from the high nutritional value they offer. The free-range lifestyle of the Iberian black pigs, combined with the acorn-rich diet, contributes to the exceptional quality of the meat. The pigs' exercise, natural foraging, and high-quality food result in meat that is flavorful, tender, and succulent. Black pigs are farmed specifically to produce Jamón Ibérico, a highly regarded and sought-after cured ham in Spain. The specific part of the pig used to make Jamón Ibérico is the hind leg, commonly referred to as the jamón in Spanish. The hind leg is known for its marbling and rich flavor, which are distinctive characteristics of Jamón Ibérico. The production process is the selection and inspection of the Iberian pig legs. Skilled experts carefully examine each leg, ensuring it meets the quality standards required for Jamón Ibérico. Workers prepare the tagging equipment and ensure it is clean and sterile. Once done, the legs are generously coated with coarse sea salt. This salt serves multiple purposes, including drawing out moisture, preserving the meat, and imparting flavor. Once salted, the legs are placed in specialized temperature-controlled rooms for a resting phase. During this period, the salt gradually works its magic, extracting moisture from the meat and contributing to its preservation. Generally, the salting process takes around 1 to 2 weeks before move to next process. After the salting phase, the legs are taken out of the salt room and washed to remove excess salt from the surface. Workers also inspect the legs for any irregularities or imperfections. This step is crucial for maintaining quality control and ensuring that only the finest legs progress to the next stages of the curing process. After the washing process, the legs are carefully hung in humidity-controlled curing rooms. During the initial stage of the curing process, the legs are exposed to controlled air circulation. This promotes the gradual drying of the meat, as moisture continues to be released and flavors intensify. As the legs dry, they enter the maturation phase. This is a slow process that allows the flavors to develop and the unique texture of Jamón Ibérico to emerge. The curing process can typically last several months to a few years. Throughout the curing and aging process, experts regularly inspect the legs. During the curing process, a substance called manteca or mold inhibitor is sometimes rubbed on the surface of the ham. This manteca is a thin layer of pig fat that acts as a protective barrier against excessive drying and the growth of undesirable molds or fungi. Workers meticulously examine the legs, assessing various characteristics such as color, texture, and uniformity. Any irregularities or deviations from the expected standards are carefully noted and addressed. Aroma evaluation is another important aspect of the inspection process. Workers sniff the hams, assessing the intensity and quality of the aroma. The unique aromas developed during the curing process are indicative of the ham's progress and quality. Texture and firmness are key indicators of a well-cured Jamón Ibérico. Workers apply gentle pressure to different parts of the leg, feeling for the right level of firmness and consistency. This tactile evaluation helps determine if the ham is reaching the desired state of maturation. Throughout the entire curing process, quality assurance is a top priority. Each leg is thoroughly examined to ensure that it meets the strict standards set for Jamón Ibérico. Once the Jamón Ibérico has completed its maturation period, it is carefully removed from the curing room. Skilled artisans carefully debone and remove any excess fat or skin, ensuring that the ham is presented in its most appealing form. Later, it will be fed to slicer machine to carefully carve paper-thin slices from the matured ham. Each slice showcases the unique marbling and rich flavors that make Jamón Ibérico so sought after. Each slice is a celebration of the complex and nuanced taste that comes from the slow curing and maturation process. Whether enjoyed alone or as part of a culinary creation, the experience is truly unforgettable. Indeed, Jamón Ibérico is considered a culinary masterpiece. Its exceptional quality, meticulous production process, and exquisite flavors make it a true gem in the world of gastronomy.